These are apple cider spiced donut holes. They're delicious, they're easy to make, they're old-fashioned, and I made them small so that you would eat less, but it doesn't work. You're gonna eat 15 of them. Let's make them. Donut holes without punching the hole from a larger donut. So donut balls. Now, this is flour. It's coming into a bowl right here. This is salt, very important. Baking soda, baking powder. So here we have ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground clove, and ground nutmeg. And we just want to make a relatively homogeneous mixture of these things. Okay, so those mix in nicely. And it's really that simple right there. Now over here in another bowl, half a stick of room temperature butter. We've got sugar. We've got brown sugar also. And this is going to get creamed together. Boop. Here's an egg. 2 eggs. Here we have buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can put like a tablespoon of vinegar into milk. Now right here, I had a full cup of apple cider that I cooked down with a single cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, and 2 allspice berries. Okay, lovely. Let's put half of our dry mixture in, about. Boom. Nice steady eddy. That looks pretty sexy. Let's put the rest in. Nice and easy. Okay, so what we have is a pretty thick mixture here, and it's pretty ideal. All right, very simply, if you so desire, you can take just a little bit of flour and touch your fingy things, and then you literally just make these balls. I would say the size of a nice green olive is what you're looking for. To remember, these are gonna get a little bit bigger in the oil because of the baking soda and the baking powder. Boom. All right, here we go. Oil, 350 degrees, nice and gentle. Well, these 3 look pretty good. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so they cook really quickly, guys, and they have a nice split look to them, very old-fashioned style looking. The other thing that's really fantastic about these is they taste good cold. So you can make a batch and leave them around. And just look for an even tan doneness, like that. Treat these like French fries. Come into a bowl. After they've cooled, after they've drained, cinnamon sugar. That was pretty damn good. Let me just tell you where my mind is. I'm on a rural 2-lane road in Vermont where people stay to the right unless they're passing. The leaves have changed colors. Many of them are on the ground. I'm 7 or 8 years old. Delicious.